going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be changing the rear gear differential oil in my 2012 Ram 2500 right over there. First we're going to start off with, there's that. We're going to start off with what you need, and hopefully you can read this crap. Okay, tools you need: beer, 7590 gear lube, 13mm socket wrench, and a drain pan. Okay, so just take the 13mm socket around every bolt on the rear differential housing, and once you get enough of them loose, it's going to start seeping out. So you're going to want the drain pan out of there because you don't know when it's going to really pop off and start seeping. The gasket is reusable, so get everything loosened up, pull it off, clean everything off, wipe it all off, and then put everything back together, as you'll see in a second. Alright, so approximately 5,000 bolts later, you can pull the cover off, or it'll just fall off, whatever happens. And here you go. Then you just want to wipe it all off. It's not wiped off yet. Wipe it all off. Get all that oil out of there as much as you can. And then put the cover back on. Then what we're going to do is stick the socket wrench right in there, open that up, and then fill it up an inch below that. My finger's about from the tip to my first knuckle, 1 inch exactly. So I'm just gonna put my finger in there like that. When I feel it, then I'm gonna stop. And it's gonna be close enough. All right, and one other thing, I'm taking shop towels and I'm getting back in here as much as I can to try and get all that oil out, so that when I fill it, it's got as much new oil as possible. It smells really, really burnt right now. Good time to check out your gears. Mine look real smooth, clean. No damage, no chipped teeth or anything as far as I can see, so that's good. But yeah, good idea to probably take a shop towel or something, whatever you can in there. A rag, anything, wipe it all out. Get it all out of there. This stuff smells real burnt, real nasty, so yeah, it was overdue, to say the least. Alright, so you're going to want to torque those down to about 25 foot-pounds, and then go ahead and use your trusty socket wrench, stick it in the back of the plug there, and just loosen that up. Then you're ready to fill it once you have the cover back on. I got everything, well, not everything, but I got it wiped up pretty good, so that's not seeping any more oil or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and add. Oh yeah, and I did not mention, for the Ram 2500 rear ends, at least for this one, you need about 4.5 quarts of the gear lube. And you just kind of squeeze it. Squeeze it in there. This is my 4th one right now, so I'm getting close. Pull that out. I've been wiping it off just to watch down here, see if anything's leaking out. I haven't seen anything yet, so that should be fine. So I'll finish the last one here, and then actually I'll probably end up just using my pinky, and I'll kind of feel. Actually, gosh, I wonder. I might have enough right now with 4. Wipe it off, wipe my finger off. And see, the thing with the gear lube, like, I could stick something else in there and try and get a measurement, but it's so clear, it's really gonna be hard to get a good reading. Just take a dry finger, go in. Actually, I can feel lube. Boy, I think I'm good. Okay, well, I'm going to check this a couple different times, make sure I'm not just imagining things, but I think 4 might actually be enough. Alright, so I checked it a few times. I think 4 is really enough. I went just over 4 because I have some here, but I really feel like 4 was enough. So that's all done. Just got to dump all the oil out. I mean, recycle it, environmentally friendly, like in that kind of a way, and not dump it out and burn it or anything. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching.